Deloitte and Boston Consulting Group have done a survey of consumers in India and they have had findings. There is some cautious optimism that some of the consumers may be returning to the FMCG market and decide to spend some money. Let's find out what is happening. Welcome back to Be Rich. The surveys by Deloitte and Boston Consulting Groups happened in the first week of August. There is some improvement. Some people are willing to put the pandemic behind them and are returning to cautious optimism. They have realized that they have to get on with life with the pandemic. The percentage of people who expect lower income this year than last year dropped from 57 to 43%. That is still 43% of the Indians believe they will make less money than what they did last year. The only silver lining is last time it was 57%. This time it has improved by 14% to 43%. Also, the next question was how many people are going to cut spending? In the last time the survey was done, more than 50% of the people said, that is 53% said they would cut spending. There is a marginal improvement, and about 42% only have said this time there will be cut in spending. What these two figures mean is that there is some marginal improvement. The upper middle class has decided to loosen their purse strings a bit. Vast majority of Indians, since this is an urban survey, are still not willing to loosen their purse and live in anxiety. This is reflected in the Deloitte survey, which says that most anxious countries in the world, 18 countries are very anxious, and India ranks highest among them. So India remains one among the 18 companies which are most anxious. What does this mean for us? This means India expected a revival based on rural consumption and returning urban consumption to return in the second half of the year. It is now clear urban consumption will not return in full blast. This means overall consumer durables and consumer goods, except consumption basket, will decline this year, and there is no growth coming from that sector. If that sector does not grow, this means our nominal GDP should contract well in excess of 12% this year, which means a deep contraction in our economy and earnings. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button of my channel, and turn on the bell notification. It's not enough that if you only do it. If you want better content, help us to invest by sending this video in WhatsApp and other social media channels to your friends and relatives who may like this and persuade them to subscribe. Thank you for the effort. If you have Kindle, the Kindle link is given below. Want a hard copy of my book? Please send a message to the WhatsApp number. At the very end, if you want to contact me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for supporting me.